Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I'm going to share a quick collective haul from Hobby Lobby, Goodwill, and the Dollar Tree. And all the items I'm going to share are $2 or below. First up are these beautiful architectural pieces. They were from the Goodwill and they were $1.99, and these are kind of like wall hangings. And I just love this architectural detail. I love, capitals. It looks like it's a partial capital on a column, the top of a column. And this is not the right color for me. This is kind of like a greenish color, like a sage green. And I'm going to paint it to be more white with, brown distressed accents on it. And I'm going to mount them on a frame, hang these in my master bathroom in the toilet area, the little water closet, for artwork, because I have a lot of architectural pieces in my master bath renovation. Next up, I finally found these plates in the Dollar Tree. I looked high and low for months and months and I could never find them. Sorry if this is kind of messing with you when you look at it. It kind of makes you get dizzy, but these are absolutely beautiful. And I picked up 8 of these, and these are actually popular in a lot of different places. A couple of the shops that I shop at, I believe these go for $11.99 a piece, and I think Home Goods was selling something similar, and I think they were between $3.99 and $5.99 a plate. So to get these for $1 was a steal. Next up, I picked up these little shoe liners from the Dollar Tree, and they had the cute little sayings on the back: start somewhere, stay focused, love yourself, and yes you can. And they have the little grips on them. Now we are planning on taking the carpet off our wooden stairs, and wood can be slippery, so I wanted to pick up some of these to put on so that we could prevent slips when we're going up and down the stairs. They also had these shoe liners. These are kind of more like, I guess, for dress shoes as opposed to socks. And I picked up a pair in the black and the nude, and I like these because they have the gel no slip grip in the back, so when you put these on, they stay in place. Next up, I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This is going to be a stocking stuffer for both of my girls. I absolutely love this. It is a nail polish bottle holder, and basically what you do is slip it between your fingers, stick your bottle of nail polish in there, and this holds the bottle of nail polish while you paint your nails or even your toenails. I really can't use it because I don't paint my nails. I get my nails done at the salon, and I get SNS on my nails, so I don't use nail polish. But I thought this was really cute for any girl that uses nail polish, and this would make a great stocking stuffer. Next up is my clearance knob haul from Hobby Lobby. I love collecting knobs when they're on clearance because you can use them for a variety of things, and you can update and spruce up, old items around your house by just changing the knobs. And if you recall, in my previous video, I shared a Goodwill caddy that I picked up, and I was going to replace the knobs with these. I think these are really nice, and these were on clearance for 99 cents. And I picked up 4 of these. Okay, the next few items I picked up for a project I'm working on. I have decluttered and revamped my master closet, and I wanted to jazz up and make new boot stands for all of my boots. So I picked up these wonderful knobs from Hobby Lobby, and these were, let me see, these were on clearance for $1.49 each, and they were originally $5.99. So I'm going to share with you really quick, after I show you what I picked up, what I'm going to use them for. And then I also picked up these antique mirrored glass knobs, and these were on clearance for $1.74, and they were originally $6.99. So I got 4 of these, and I got 4 of the big ones. Then I stopped by my favorite place in the world. Is my discount fabric store, and I picked up some beautiful fabrics. I absolutely love velvet, and this is a beautiful, like deep kind of grayish black charcoal velvet. Just sumptuous and gorgeous. It's quite a bit, and they were having their annual sale where all remnants, if it wasn't on a roll of fabric, no matter how large the piece was, if it wasn't on a roll, it was 99 cents. And this is about 2.5 yards of fabric, velvet fabric here, and this was 99 cents. A gorgeous fabric. And also I picked up this beautiful black faux leather fabric, and this is just a great piece. It almost looks real. I love the softness, the pliability, and this was also 99 cents. And this is kind of like a luxury faux leather. And then inside it's really lined with like this super soft felt lining. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It mimics real leather. And I'm also going to be using these for my upgraded luxurious boot stands. And then I also picked up quite a few pool noodles from the Dollar Tree, because this is going to be the base of my boot stand. Just so you can kind of get an idea. Obviously, I'm going to show you a DIY tutorial on how I plan on doing this, but I will wrap the fabric around the boot stand, you know, sew that down, have it really secure, stuff the inner lining, you know, stuff the excess down in the hole, and basically I'm going to find a disc to kind of smooth this out, and then have this on the top of the disc, and so they will just look like really nice fancy boot stands. And then when I need to pull them out of my boots, I can just lift them up, pull them out by the handle. And so that's what I plan on doing with this fabric and this fabric. I'm going to alternate because I don't have enough of one fabric to do all of the boot stands. And then I can also do the same thing with this beautiful mercury glass one. And the mercury glass can look good with that, or look good with this one. And I can just lift the boot stands out by the handle. And I'll also be sharing all of the other fabrics and my ideas of what I'm going to be doing with those fabrics in an upcoming fabric haul video. So guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.